Tired of manually entering all your transactions into budgeting apps? Frustrated with the constant data entry and the risk of human error? You're not alone. Many people rely on personal finance apps like Mint for their budgeting needs, but what if there's a smoother way? Enter Rocket Money, a popular subscription-based app that promises to help you save money by identifying and canceling unwanted subscriptions, negotiating bills, and finding better deals. But can Rocket Money seamlessly integrate with Mint, your existing budgeting hub? That's the question we'll be answering today. Unfortunately, Rocket Money does not directly import data from Mint. Mint and Rocket Money operate independently. Mint primarily focuses on tracking your spending, creating budgets, and providing financial insights based on your transaction history. Rocket Money, on the other hand, specializes in identifying and canceling unwanted subscriptions, negotiating bills, and finding better deals. Now, imagine if these two powerful tools could work together. Imagine seamlessly importing all your transaction data from Mint into Rocket Money. This would allow Rocket Money to analyze your spending patterns more effectively, identify potential areas for savings, and even negotiate better deals on subscriptions you actively use. While direct integration isn't currently available, there are a few workarounds you can consider. Manual entry, the most straightforward, though time-consuming, method is to manually enter your transaction data into Rocket Money. Tip: to make this process easier, consider exporting your transaction history from Mint as a CSV file and then importing it into Rocket Money, if that option is available. Connect bank accounts directly. Both Mint and Rocket Money can connect directly to your bank accounts. By connecting the same bank accounts to both apps, you can ensure that both platforms have access to the most up-to-date transaction data. Note: this might involve some data duplication, but it can help both apps provide more accurate and comprehensive insights. Discuss the potential future of integration. While direct integration may not be a current feature, it's worth keeping an eye on both platforms for future updates. Both Mint and Rocket Money are constantly evolving, and it's possible that they may introduce integration features in the future to enhance user experience. In the meantime, you can explore other options to streamline your financial management. Personal Capital. This financial dashboard aggregates data from various sources, including bank accounts, investment accounts, and even retirement accounts. It provides a comprehensive overview of your financial situation and offers budgeting tools, investment tracking, and retirement planning features. NAB. You need a budget. This budgeting software emphasizes giving every dollar a job, helping you track your spending, create realistic budgets, and achieve your financial goals. While it doesn't have the same subscription cancellation features as Rocket Money, it excels in helping you understand and control your spending. Regardless of the tools you choose, prioritize data privacy and security. Always ensure that the apps you use have strong security measures in place to protect your sensitive financial information. In summary, while Rocket Money does not currently directly import data from Mint, you can still leverage both platforms to improve your financial health. Explore the available workarounds, such as manual entry or connecting bank accounts directly. Consider alternative solutions like Personal Capital or NAB, which offer more comprehensive financial management features. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.